Mbavu the Destroyer versus Majembe. Who do you think that is going to win this fight? This is the most anticipated boxing fight here in Kenya that is highly waited for. The good thing that they have been done, boxing was highly forgotten here in Africa. But right now, we are seeing light at the end of the tunnel. Whatever that the promoters have done, whatever that these people have done is really amazing. Right now, Kenya is going to be recognized once again in this boxing sector, and we want boxing to continue like this on whatever that is currently happening. Mbavu Destroyer has been doing a good job. He was the one behind the motivation. He has been the one that has been mobilizing this fight. Even if he loses this fight, he will never be forgotten because of the good job that he has been doing about promoting boxing here in Kenya. That is what I would just like to tell you. Between Majembe and Mbavu the Destroyer, who do you think is going to win this fight? Because most of the people have been waiting for it. Most of the people are really trying to see what is going to happen after this fight. Remember that most of them most of them are going to leave this fight as millionaire. They came in from the ghetto and they are going to live a good life. This is an advice to all the youths outside there. But whatever that you are doing, just give it your all. Never ever forget that there is life after everything. These are life. Starting the time that Majembe was starting, remember that how people were accusing him, how people were negative about him. But at some point, negativity may make you to be a great person. Don't abuse someone the time that is criticizing you, because that criticism is the thing that will make you to continue working very hard. If you're not being criticized, remember that you are going nowhere. Remember that even in the Bible it always says that mti yenye matunda ndio inapigwa mawe. So that is what is going to happen, and that is something that people are anticipating for. It is something that even them, they didn't know that is going to reach here. Most of them didn't believe in their craft, but only God was the one that enabled them to be here. So this is most of the advice to most of the youth in the ghetto. Remember that if you are doing something, just give it your all. Give it your all, because you don't know what might happen in the future. Majembe won this fight. This is something that people saw it coming, that Majembe was going to win. But Mbavu walked in as a ghetto guy, but he moved out as an influencer. If it wasn't for Mbavu, this fight, people could not go and watch it. The way that this guy had influencing, the way that this guy has been criticizing that boxing, if it wasn't for him, I promise you, this has never happened before. This is a fight that has never happened before here in Kenya. This is the first time that Kenyans are seeing this in the whole of Africa. I mean, even in Africa, this is something that has never happened before. So it has only started in Kenya for the boxing to be influenced and the boxing to be mobilized, and people are right now going to watch this fight. Majembe won this match free and fair. Mbavu Destroyer walked in as a ghetto guy, but he got out as a public figure. Right now, hope that the boxing company here in Kenya are seeing this. They are going to use Majembe as influencer in the next matches. So most of the people, most of the boxing company, most of the gaming company, most of the betting company, they are right now going to use Mbavu Destroyer as a influencer. That is something that is going to happen. That is the news that we had for you. Congratulations to Majembe. That is something that we saw you, that you are going to win this fight. Everyone was anticipating for it because you are a boxer, yet Mbavu Destroyer was a boxing influencer. All of you are winners in the eyes of the Lord. If it wasn't for you guys, boxing could never be emulated, could never be revived here in Kenya. That is whatever that we had for you today on the current affairs that is happening here in Kenya. That is the biggest show, the biggest event here in Kenya today. Until next time, always say we are Africans, and Africa will remain to be our main business. And we are out.